This video will share with you how to restore WhatsApp backup without uninstalling. KuMaster WhatsApp Recovery can restore your Android WhatsApp backup without uninstalling or reinstalling it. Step 1. Install the software on the PC. After you download it, run it to get to the primary interface, then select the WhatsApp Recovery module. Step 2. Link your Android device to the computer via USB cable. Ensure USB debugging is enabled. The tool will detect your device immediately. Choose the device to proceed by hitting Next. Step 3. The software will first start scanning the files to extract them. Switch on the end-to-end encryption option on the device by following these settings: chat backup, end-to-end encrypted backup. Now click Confirm to proceed. Step 4. Once done with scanning, click View It, and all WhatsApp files will show in categories on the device's screen. Tap WhatsApp to choose the messages you wish to restore. Also, click the WhatsApp Attachments option to recover media files and other data. Finally, press the Recover to Computer button and all your WhatsApp files will be saved to the PC. Clearing all the WhatsApp files is also a good way to restore backup without uninstalling. This is possible on Android devices, and it involves making the application in the state it was in when it was first installed. Step 1. Launch Settings and look for Apps App Management. Step 2. Click on WhatsApp to open it. Find the Storage Usage option and click on the Clear Data option. Confirm the process. Step 3. From there, launch WhatsApp again and go through the initial steps. Use the same account to log in. Now the application will start searching for the stored backup to restore from. Here is how to get WhatsApp backup from iTunes using KuMaster iPhone Data Recovery. Step 1. After installing and launching the software on PC, click the Recover from iTunes Backup File option from the left panel. It will start scanning the location of the iTunes backup file. Ensure you choose the correct backup file and tap Start Scan. If you can't locate the backup file, press Select to pick it from other folders. Step 2. Tick WhatsApp and WhatsApp attachments from the interface. Now click the Start Scan button on your right at the bottom. Preview the files on the PC. Step 3. Choose WhatsApp and WhatsApp attachments and choose the detailed files on your right. Hit the Recover to Computer tab to restore them from iTunes backup. Since iCloud is a cloud service to keep all your files, you can back up your WhatsApp data and restore it later on without uninstalling the WhatsApp app. Step 1. Navigate to the Settings menu and click on General, Reset, and Erase all contents settings. Step 2. The iPhone will boot, and when it turns on, follow the instructions to set it up till you reach the App Data page. Step 3. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup, then log into your account with the correct credentials. Step 4. Select your WhatsApp backup and wait as it restores.